So when I come home, I'm usually very hungry, so I'm just placing everything that I got into the fridge, and then I'm going to take out some veggies and fruits to make myself some evening snacks. And I love to do this. It's so simple, it's easy, and it's full with nutrients and antioxidants and stuff that the body needs. So I'm gonna use a papaya today and some celery, and I'm starting out with washing the celery. It's all organic, so it's very important to wash it. And I am going to cut this into sticks or slices that we can snack on. And you can also make yourself a delicious dip. I like to use like an oatmeal kind of based sour cream, which is totally vegan, and it's so yummy with some garlic and stuff. And I'm just gonna place this nicely onto a bowl. And I also try to eat at least 1 cup of blueberries every day because it's so healthy and so good for your skin and also your inside to clean out and detoxify. Then I'm going to make some slices of papaya as well. This has become my favorite fruit lately. And then I'm also taking some parsley, and we're going to wash this and place it on top of the food. And here you go, it's a delicious snack, and you can eat tons of this and it will keep you full, and it is so yummy. So I try to eat at least 5 different kinds of fruit every day, and also 5 different kinds of greens like parsley, veggies, celery, broccoli, and you guys know it. And while I'm eating, I also like to check my Instagram, reply to comments, read my emails and stuff that has been going on. And I also need to snap my food and that I am filming. So when I'm done eating, I like to take a shower. I hate taking showers in the morning because I don't like to blow dry my hair, and I'm also not a morning person. So taking it in the evening and letting it air dry is my best way to take a shower. And inside the shower, I'm also cleansing my face if I'm taking a shower that day, and I'm using Sensai step 1 and 2 cleansing balm and also a peeling mask to peel my skin. And I try to do it at least once a week, and I never peel more than 2 times a week. For shampoo, I'm using the Redken Blue Extreme shampoo, and I'm also going to use a hair mask and conditioner today, and I'm using the All Soft Gold version. And I try to use a mask every single time I'm showering. I have just gotten out of the shower. I'm now going to put on a face mask and show you how I do my face routine. I've also just moisturized my body using this Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare. This is the Organic Virgin Coconut Oil Skin Lotion, which I love, love, love. I love everything coconut. And I also try to use as many organic products as I can. And this is also hydrating and restoring, which is great. So I just moisturized my whole body, put on my robe because it's so cold. So if you've seen my skincare routine that I put up like in February, I think, you've probably seen that I use the Sensai Silk Purifying Cleansing Series. So what I use first, I did this in the shower because I think it's easier. I use this, which is the step 1. Then I go in with the step 2, which is a mud soap. And this, you guys, you can also use as a mask, but I don't really do that. I keep it on for a couple of minutes and then I rinse it off, and then I just peeled my face with this silk peeling mask as well. I try to peel at least once a week, if not even 2. I also have this right here, which is from Soap&Co. I got this while I was in London in May, and let me tell you, this takes up all your dead skin. So this is all very natural and very good as well. I will not use this now because I'm going to put a face mask on, so I don't want all my dead skin to be off as well before the mask because it can sting a bit. I'm going to use the Glam Glow mask today. If you saw my beauty haul, I will leave a link up here from LA. You know that I got this kit, and this is the super mild clearing treatment, and it looks like this. It is pretty interesting, and I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna keep it on the face for 20 minutes. When this starts to dry, you can like see all the pores in your face. It's disgusting and I love it. Just be careful that you don't put it too close to the eyes because it stings like a lot. So now I'm all done. I'm gonna wait 20 minutes and I'll be back to show you the rest of the steps that I use before I go to bed. So while I'm waiting for my mask to dry, I usually go into my office and I sit down at my computer. Here it really depends on what day of the week it is, because sometimes I'm blogging, sometimes I'm editing. I always check my emails at the evening time as well, and I'm answering you guys' comments on my newest videos on YouTube, and I'm just catching up. I also plan out my meals throughout the week, and I am also going back in my planner and I'm writing some new plans that I made throughout the day and stuff, so I am updated and ready for a week. And I also make my weekly spread every Sunday. My skin is glowing and it feels so soft. So now I'm gonna use the Vichy Pore Tightening Lotion, which is toner. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on this cotton pad right here, and I'm carefully going to tap it onto the skin, especially where I have pores, like in my T-zone, because I am dehydrated, which makes my skin produce a lot more oil. And then I'm going to apply an eye cream. This is the Roche-Posey Hydra Phase Intense Eye Cream. So I'm just going to dab a little bit on my finger right here, and then we're going to dab it under the eyes. So therefore I'm carefully dabbing. Don't be hard on your eyes, you guys, because around your eyes is the thinnest skin we have, so it takes just a little bit. And to avoid wrinkles and stuff, you should never like massage hard into the face. You should always like dab it in. And then for serum, I'm going to use my new Dior serum. So it is the One Essential Skin Boosting Super Serum, which is an intense skin detoxifier. So I'm just taking this, and always be sure to add the product on the top of your fingertips. If you add a product here, it will sink into the skin and you will lose the product. And now I'm barely touching my skin. I'm just dabbing, and with serum it's important that you work it in because it contains very small micro ingredients which will need to go into the third layer of skin, which is very deep down, so you need to work it in so it's not laying on top and only enters the first layer. And once that is all dried, we are going to apply some moisturizer. So I am using the Dior Hydra Life Moisturizer. This is the Fresh Hydration Sorbet, and this is very light, and this is actually too much product. But anyway, on top of the fingertips here as well, carefully put it on. So I'm not dragging, I'm not going in circular motion, just dab here as well. This is to avoid wrinkles, because if you drag your skin, the skin is a very sensitive organ. Just do the dabbing emotions instead. I've seen so many being so hard with their skin, and I'm like, shouldn't do that. Then the last product I'm using before bed is the Sensai Cellular Performance Emulsion 1, and I love this stuff. So I'm just taking one pump and I'm just gonna put a little bit there on my chin, and for the neck I'm always working upwards, and you should do that on your face as well. Like, never work downwards, as I said in my skincare video, because then you're dragging the skin down and it can hang and you can get wrinkles. And that's it for my skincare. Now I will put some oil in my hair, brush out all this mess. So when I'm done with my skincare and also brush my teeth, I like to go into my bed and read a book. So now I'm reading Mindfulness and also Medical Medium. And I also love to check up on my phone, like social media, and watch YouTube videos. And when it's time for bed, I switch on my pillow, which has speakers. So it is like a sound machine, which keeps my tinnitus and my ears intact from hearing all the noises around me. And that is my skincare routine and nighttime routine for winter, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos that I have going on right here. I would love for you to leave a comment, and when that's been said, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!